Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saida Shaista Batul. Welcome to my channel Zero Logic. I believe that our content present our souls. All the souls in this world are created by God with love and passion, same like He created the rose. For me, all the souls in this world are like rose petals. Yes, rose petal which presents the God work at love, passion, happiness and gratitude. So, as we know that astrology is a science and as an art, you already have traveled through my fantasy land and where I was presenting 12 zodiac sign as a rainbow, as a water cycle, in the bird. So all this phenomena or all this scenario is incomplete if we will not discuss the roses. Yes. So before starting today's videos, I will request all of you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit on the bell icon. As I will upload the video, you will get the notification. Thank you so much. So this is the month of the Aries. That's why I will start my video. With the Aries. All know that roses are red, violets are blue, but roses are in the different form. So in today's videos, you are going to travel through my fantasy land where I am going to connect 12 zodiac sign as roses, because for me all the souls in this world are like rose petals, soft, happy, harmonious, and they want appreciation and gratitude and admiration, not only from their soul's partner but also from the environment, and they also create this environment for themselves and for the other people. So first of all, I will start my video with the Aries. I have assigned them the red rose based on their lovely and their passionate nature, because they are loving, they are caring, they are leader, they are warrior. So I have assigned them the red rose. We already know that red roses represent deep love. Red roses are perfect embodiment of love. Aries are passionate, motivated and confident leader who builds community with their cheerful disposition and relentless determination, uncomplicated and direction in their approach. They are courageous, competitive, honest, generous and energetic. Courageous, competitive, honest and enthusiastic and energetic. Okay, so moving toward the zodiac sign chart as per the video, the second sign, but as per the chart, the first sign, Capricorn. Yes, the Capricorn, they are also very hardworking, they are very ambitious and they are very goal oriented. So based on these qualities or based on my cognitive, I have assigned them beige roses. A rose has more subtle meaning. It symbolizes charm and thoughtfulness and perfectly suitable for logical Capricorn. Capricorn do not have time for emotion. It's not that they don't care, they just prefer practical facts. They will give you advice and guide you properly. They are the mastermind, organizer of the plans. Capricorns are mastermind, organizer of the plans. They are thoughtful, so that's why I have assigned them the beige roses. Moving toward the third zodiac sign, Aquarius. When it comes to the deep thinking, then of course I am going to assign them the deep pink roses. All shades have something in common. They symbolizes gratitude, grace and joy, sometimes much more gentle option. Pink symbolizes thankful for the boundaries you share, happiness, joyfulness and mindfulness. As Aquarius are developer of their own thoughts, they have hard time getting attached to someone emotionally, but they feel happiness and peace to do romance. Aquarius are practical, solution oriented, thinking outside of the box. Aquarius are practical, solution oriented, thinking outside of the box, but still they are romantic and they show their romantic side always, even if they are not in the deep love, but they are always in the situation where they love to do romance. Romance is the weakness of the Aquarius, and this is also the secret trait which I am telling you, that all Aquarius are very romantic by heart. Okay, the fourth zodiac sign Pisces, I have assigned them the magenta roses. Magenta roses imply innocence and appreciation because of their light hue. They indicate gentleness and soft romance. Pisceans are quite emotionally intelligent and emotionally intuitive. People born under this sign are able to process things on a deeper and intense level. Pisceans are generous, kind, and caring about everyone's feeling around them. Pisceans are loving, caring, empathetic, sensitive. So they are also they are romantic, but they are empathetic romantic, or they are emotionally romantic. That's why I have assigned them the magenta rose. Okay, moving toward the next zodiac sign Taurus. Taurus, based on their habits, or based on my cognitive scale, I have assigned them the salmon rose. Salmon roses symbolizes the goodness, sympathy, gratitude, generosity, respect, tenderness, and admiration, excitement, and this is suitable for problem solver Taurus. This zodiac sign prefer attention. They want others to listen them without being judgmental. They have the need for stability and desire to be grounded. They want other people to listen them without being judgmental. They are loyal, they are caring, they are very passionate, and this earth sign, this beautiful earth sign have very beautiful, loving, caring, and passionate nature, and they are romantic, but they don't show their feeling at very first glance. So based on these qualities, I have assigned them the salmon rose. Okay, moving toward the next Gemini. Gemini, I have assigned them the blue roses. Although blue roses are not naturally available, but these are very expensive roses, and these rose color can be dyed and available in the market. Heartedness, softness, tenderness, excitement, and admiration. Gemini find very difficult to keep their emotion under control. Even if they get upset, no one can even notice their feeling because they are very composed enough and they don't disappoint their partners or their friends. They're emotionally intelligent, but they try their level best to. Gemini tried their level best to hide their emotions, but somehow it's obvious from their face because they cannot hide their actual or the real emotion, and they always keep their option open, and they are very open-minded. So but they are the romantic, and they like romance, but they have their own way of romanticizing the things. That's why I have assigned them the blue roses. They are lover of information, deep thinker, need variety, love to have option, analytical, possibly judgmental, eccentric, more quick between rational to irrational. Okay, so moving toward the next zodiac sign, Cancer. Cancer, because we all know that Cancer are very caring, very loving. This is the mother sign. So based on their purity, or based on their pure nature or the pure love, the mother love is the purest love in the world, I have assigned them the white roses. They are known for being highly imaginative and emotional. Though they enjoy adventure from time to time, kept in sticking to what they know, like the delicate nature of the people under the zodiac sign of the Cancer. White roses are elegant, subtle, universally adored, symbol of purity, peace, and prosperity, innocence, virginity. It also known as the bridal flower. At wedding signifies new beginning and the blooming rewards. And the Cancer, they are the good listener, they are the good advisor. And also the white roses we call the white roses as the bridal rose because it symbolizes the new beginning and also the blooming of the new romance. For the next zodiac sign, Leo. I have assigned them based because Leos are the leader, and if the Leos is somewhere around. No one can, because Leos are very social, and Leos are very energetic, and Leos are very powerful. So based on this, but they believe on friendship more than the romantic relationship. First they believe on the friendship. First they will try to not as a friend, and they will evaluate if that person is compatible enough, then they will move further to high levels. So that's why based on this nature I have assigned them the orange roses. Roses are a combination of deep love and friendship, work as a bridge, symbolizes, indicate passion, energy, fascination. Leo are sensitive and emotional, that involve their near and dear one. Leos are confident, expressive, leader, generous, but they need to recognize what they love most. They should honor it. And they also Leo, you need to recognize what you love most. You also have to honor it, and you have to recognize it on a time that whom you love most. Otherwise you will always be in you will miss your love, or you will be miss yours, or you will be always in the friend zone, or you will miss your situation where you are going to keep your loved ones as a friend always in a life. So always ones whom you love, you have to accept it, you have to honor it. Okay, so moving toward the next one. Like Leo, they are not very social, they are critically organized people, and they don't want to be very social. They have their own, they must want to stay away from the people, to drain themselves. Yes, I'm talking about the Virgo. I have assigned them the lavender roses. Lavender are the purple roses. An enchanting purple rose or lavender rose is known as the mystical rose. This flower gives special meaning like royalty and majesty. A lighter color of purple represents love at first sight, and deeper purple represent when you value someone's opinion. Blunt truth teller puts up wall to see who is worth letting in, loses interest with a thing that makes no sense. Highly intuitive, deeply devoted, loyal. Purple colors also represent our graceful, our graceful, our loving, our caring Virgo. Yes. Okay, so moving toward the next zodiac sign. They're also very loving, very caring, but they want to maintain the peace, so they will not rush toward romantic relationship immediately. First they want to balance the life. Yes, I am talking about most balancing personalities, the zodiac sign Libras. Libras, I have assigned them the fuchsia flower. Just like classical rose, Libras are adored by everyone they meet as symbols of love and peace. Roses are perfectly complement a Libra's passion for justice and strong sense of right and wrong. Fuchsia is more versatile. Fuchsia rose is most versatile of all shades. Libras are peacemakers, strive for balance and peace. Artistic, creative, harmonious, surrounding is their first preference. Libra's first preference is surrounding, so roses are the best representation for them. But then too, they are very harmonious, they are very peaceful. They will not, as I explained earlier, that they will not rush towards the friendship or any relationship until they themselves are satisfied, or until they are being able to know that what is wrong and right. So after doing that, our peaceful, charming Libra will create a relationship. That's why I have assigned them the fuchsia roses. So beauty is a joy forever, and what more beautiful thing in this world except than the roses is, yes, roses are the most beautiful thing for me. It's really enchanting, and once I think about roses, even now I'm thinking about or talking about the roses, it's really giving me some special kind of energy, some positivity. And coming toward the next zodiac sign, Scorpio. Scorpio, they are very loving, very caring, very passionate. That's why I have assigned them the burgundy roses. They represent passion, stunning, unconscious beauty, deep devotion, loyalty and love, expressing enchantment, majesty and splendor. These roses have special delight, power to enchant your near and dear one, best suited for sensational lover of transformation, deep thinker, creative, positive Scorpio who loves to keep their heart on their sleeves. Yes, moving toward last but not the least, our adventurers, our travel lovers, Sagittarius. These mean wisdom and joy, socialism, adventure, friendship, opportunity, lot of open option, intelligence, happiness, more suited for seeker of truth and knowledge lover of adventure and travel. Dreamers like to keep option open and can have hard time be tied down because they loves to keep their option open, and it's hard for them to tie down. That's why I have assigned them the yellow roses, because they never ever wants to create very romantic or very deep relation at the first sight. First they want to be friend, and they are very good friend, because they will give you the best advice. If you are going to be friend with the Sagittarius, you are going to have very fantastic and fun time with them. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed my video. I really enjoyed it once I was thinking about it, and once I was traveling into my fantasy land. I really enjoyed it. I hope you also had enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also like my Facebook and Instagram page if you want. And if you want to be notified further, please press on the bell icon. That's it for today's video. Take care. I will see you next weekend. Thank you. Bye bye.